Hello guys, this is Ashish and welcome once again. In this video we will doing the unboxing and also review of this um, keyboard and mouse combo pack, and I have purchased this from Flipkart for 1000 rupees. And this is the packing, how it looks. Let's try to open the packing. And this is available for 1100 rupees, but I have purchased this from offer. And this is a wireless keyboard and mouse combo. So packing stuff. So this is the box of the keyboard and mouse. This is from Amtech, and this is the packing. And it says this is having a stylish, slim and compact design, and power saving circuit and all, and it also have multimedia keys. Windows 10 is also compatible with this one. And let's see what is the price MRP written over the box. So the MRP written on the box is about 1295 rupees, and this also gives us 3-year warranty, so that's a nice thing that we are getting the warranty from this one. So 3-year warranty is good. So let's try to open the box now. And in this box there is also a new rupee symbol, which generally most of the keyboard don't have on them, but this keyboard has that symbol, so that's a nice thing. It's a weird type of packing. Okay, so first thing in the box you will get this pamphlet and quick start guide. This teaches you how you can operate the mouse. We are also getting the cells, so you don't have to buy the cells. And this is the keyboard, and the look of the keyboard is very stunning. It is almost similar to the Apple keyboard. The design and texture are looking very great. It is very slim, as you can see, and very lightweight also. At the bottom we also have this nano receiver, which works on 2.4 gigahertz band. So let's try to so this is very small, and this is a single receiver for both mouse and keyboard, so that's a nice thing. And it is very small, and we also have this shelf to insert the batteries. So let's keep this side. And as you can see, there are many multimedia buttons also, like volume, next, pause, play and mute. So that's a nice thing. Also it is very glossy look, nice keyboard. And let's check the mouse now, which is a very important thing. So this is the mouse, and this is very small, not very small, but comfortable and very lightweight. The plastic build quality is almost average, nothing to say about this. It also have a glossy look, and it is extra button over here for control DPI while you are gaming. It's a very important, so that's a nice thing. Scroll wheel is also very smooth, and here we have on and off button, laser sensor, and for batteries there is a shelf, and it will take a one cell, that is AA cell. Let's try to insert the cell, which we have already got with this combo. So I have inserted the cell. Now we will insert a cell in this keyboard also. So it is inserted now. Let's so done now, and now we will test this in our laptop. So I have on my laptop, and now let's insert the receiver, nano receiver, in the USB port. So I have inserted the receiver, and it is currently installing the driver. So it is currently installing the driver. So let's move the mouse. So as you can see, I'm moving the mouse and cursor is also moving, and the button tactiles is very good. So that's a nice thing. Let's try to type something by using keyboard. So I would open my notepad, and let's try to type something using the keyboard. So let's type something, and as you can see, it is working. Numpad is also working. Let's open this multimedia calculator key, and it opened the calculator directly. So that's the nice thing. And there is also indicator over here which is glowing on. I think this is must be screen num lock. Yeah, it's a num lock. Let's press the caps lock key. No indication for caps lock. That's okay. So this is the keyboard and mouse combo, which is under 1000 rupees. So that's a very nice deal. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed our channel for more updates, just subscribe it right now. If you have any doubt, just mention in the comment section. This is Ashish signing off. Thank you for now. Goodbye.